Okay, this is from Grandpa and Great Grammy and a little bit of Mommy and Daddy. You ready? Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it just popped.
Oh, it's a sewing machine.
What?
It's a sewing machine.
She's getting a sewing machine?
You cut her finger off.
No, you won't. What do you think about that?
Good.
So I can teach you how to sew?
Your very own,
We can make
Paysie.
all kinds of stuff. That's for you to take good care of, right?
You did it for a long time.
You like that?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Well, we're not going to rip the box open, hon, okay? We're going to be careful opening it up.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab all my stuff.
What do you say to Great Grammy and Grandpa?
Thank you.